The learned counsel for the appellant has placed reliance on the case of Mohsin versus Reshma Stop. In this case, the High Court had set aside the order of the civil judge granting the custody of the child to her mother's paternal aunt while the father was not proven to be unfit. Stop. However, the High Court of Rajasthan held that in the light of Section 19, which bars the court from appointing a guardian when the father of the minor is alive and not unfit, the court could not appoint any maternal relative as a guardian, even though the personal law of the minor might give preferential custody in her favor. Stop. As is evident, the aforementioned decision concerned appointment of a guardian. Stop. No doubt, unless the father is proven to be unfit, the application for guardianship filed by another person cannot be entertained. Stop. However, we have already seen that the question of custody was distinct from that of a guardianship. Stop para. As far as matters of custody are concerned, the court is not bound by the bar envisaged under Section 19 of the Act. Stop. In our opinion, as far as the question of custody is concerned, in the light of the aforementioned decisions, the personal law governing the minor girl dictates her maternal relatives, especially her maternal aunt, shall be given preference. Stop. To the extent that we are concerned with the question of interim custody, we see no reason to override this rule of Mohammedan law, and hence a prima facie case is found in favor of the respondent. Stop para. Further, the balance of convenience lies in favor of granting custody to the maternal grandfather, aunt, and uncles. Stop. A plethora of decisions of this court endorse the proposition that in matters of custody of children, their welfare shall be the focal point. Stop. Once we shift the focus from the rights of the contesting relatives to the welfare of the minor children, the considerations in determining the question of balance of convenience also differ. Stop. We take note of the fact that respondent number 2 on record has stated that she has no intention to get married, and her plea that she had resigned from her job as a technical writer to take care of the children remains uncontroverted. Stop. We are hence convinced that the respondents will provide sufficient love and care for the children till the final disposal of the guardianship application. Stop.